It's time for a little fun! Oink, oink, little piglet, have you any mud?
Yes, sir, rolling in a thud.
One patch for Pip the bunny, cooling in the heat.
One patch for the farmer, muddy on his feet.
One patch for the little piglet, small and oh so sweet.
Oink, oink, little piglet, mud is quite a treat.
Oink, oink, little piglet, what do you say?
Oink, 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 all through the day.
Oink for Pig, boink for you. Oink for the little ones learning something new. Oink, oink, little piglet, how do you play?
Rolling in the muddy puddles every day.
Roll for Pip, roll for you. Roll for the little ones learning something new.
Oink, oink, little piglet, what do you eat? Slurping up the slop, now that's a yummy treat.
Slurp for Pip, slurp for you. Sleep for the little ones learning something new. Oink, oink, little piglet, curly is your tail.
Pip tries hard to curl his tail without a veil.
Curl for Pip, curl for you. Curl for the little ones learning something new. Oink, oink, little piglet, pink as pink can be.
Just like Pip the bunny, pink as pink you see.
Pink for Pip, pink for you. Pink for the little ones learning something new.
Oink, oink, little piglet, time to say goodnight.
Snuggle in the warm barn out of the moonlight.
Sleep for Pip, sleep for you. Sleep for the little ones learning something new.
Oink, oink, little piglet, what did Pip find?
The happiest little piglet of the sweetest kind.
Pink